Okay, we're just culling some quails today. Quail culling. This is the first step, second step. The internalizing, and then washing and refrigerating. This is
Oof.
step-by-step process of getting the quail to market. Five seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds, 8 seconds. 8 seconds in the hot water so we can get the feathers off easy. And then defeathering the beast. These are all organic quail. We don't give them any antibiotics, or only give them probiotics and lots of vitamins. So we eat a lot of the meat ourselves, and a lot of people request it, so we also sell the meat. And the eggs we sell, and of course we eat a good 20 eggs a day at least ourselves. Sometimes 20 each. I love you, the bird says. Wow.
I love you too.
Who said that?
That was naughty girl.
Who's the naughty girl that said that? I love you. I love you, gorgeous. Yeah, parrots are talking back there. Maybe I'll put the camera so you can see them too. Maybe I saw it talking. I don't know. I'll have to check the video later. I don't think it was pointing at the parrot cage.
There, look a monkey. Hi guys. Give mommy kisses.
Anyhow, I take the majority of the feathers off after inserting it into boiled water for a few seconds. And then give it to this Serrani lady over here. We don't like to waste any of the meat, so we don't cut the wings off or the legs off or rip the skin off. The skin is good, it's delicious. You cook this quail right and it's absolutely delicious. Why would you want to waste all that meat? I see all these YouTube videos of these guys, you know, oh, just cut the wings off, there's no meat in them, and cut the legs off, there's no meat in them, and we even keep the livers and the gizzards at times. They're a little bit small, but they're nutritious, tasty. When you've got organic meat, you might as well enjoy it. Why waste it? Of course, the innards we put in the dog food and let the dogs sort that out, but yeah, all these guys, you know, some of them are pretty famous YouTubers, and oh, just cut the legs off, cut the wings off, there's no meat in them. That's nonsense. The wings are delicious. The legs are delicious, nice See, this is your wing, this is your leg. It's delicious. There's a lot of meat in there. I don't know why they're talking nonsense like that. Maybe they're just too lazy to clean the birds properly, get all the feathers off. I think I heard your phone ringing upstairs.
Yeah, my phone is ringing. And I hear a honk. Maybe somebody's here.
Maybe somebody came for eggs.
Hi guys. Oh. Oh.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi everybody. Says the parrots. Which parrot is that? Is that Polly or is that Gorgeous? Polly, Gorgeous. Papa, Papa, where's my Papa? Kisses, Papa? Wanna give Papa kisses? Who wants to give Papa kisses? Papa, Papa, where's my Papa?
I don't know who this.
Huh?
I don't know who this.
There's nobody there?
Yeah, there's a car that they don't open the window.
Oh, then there's probably the kids. Got a new car. Is it a shiny car?
No, it's not shiny.
Oh. Hi guys. Okay, and but stay organic and keep your legs and your wings. It's all good meat. All good meat in there. Wings are really crunchy with a little bit of meat in them. Cooked right, they taste just fantastic, and the legs are delicious. So guys, keep your legs. Don't be lazy. Keep your legs. Keep your wings. Enjoy your birds. Well, I tell you, our customers really love these birds when we just defeather them like this and take the guts out and freeze them. They just love them. They pay a premium for that too, so that's all, folks.